Hello, dear students, again. Today's topic is about a writing section, and we're going to learn how to write an essay offering solutions to a problem. Let's have a look together at some study skills. When we write an essay offering solutions to a problem, we usually write 4 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, we state the problem. In the second one, we actually write what the effects are. And in the third paragraph, we write our solutions and the expected results. In the conclusion, it's the last paragraph, we summarize what we've said before and actually encouraging the reader to adopt our solutions, giving our reasons. So this is what we should keep in mind while we write an essay offering solutions to a problem. And let's go on with a text. We're going to read the text and then talk about each of the paragraphs. The title of the text is Smoke in the City. Listen to me carefully, please, while reading. The number of vehicles and factories in cities is increasing, and the air is becoming more polluted every year. What can we do about it? The problem with fumes from cars is that they poison the air and can make people ill, especially children. Also, smoke from houses and factories makes the air dirtier and smoke levels increase. This makes life in cities very unpleasant. There are some solutions to this problem. We can use buses and trains to travel around the city. Some cities have already stopped cars from driving in the center. Also, we should move factories to the countryside and put filters in their chimneys. In these ways, we can reduce the amount of air pollution. To conclude, we can all help reduce the amount of air pollution. This way, we can enjoy a healthier life. So this was the text, and I hope you were attentive while I read it and saw the paragraphs. Let's have a look at some words. We went through this text. What is smoke? It's a mix of fog and smoke. What is a vehicle? You know, it's a means of transport. Increase, when it becomes larger or greater. And what about fume? It's a vapor. And poison, pollute or contaminate. Reduce, to bring down. I hope you took notes about these words. Let's have a look at some information from the text. I actually prepared a table for you to define which was the problem, the effects, the solutions, and the results. Let's have a look at the first one. What is the problem? The number of vehicles and factories increasing, air in the cities becoming more polluted. So that is the problem. What about the effects? Air is getting dirtier, poisoned air makes people ill. And solutions? We use buses and trains, stop cars from driving in the center, move factories, and put litters in chimneys. So these were the solutions. And what are the expected results in this case? We have the reduction, so reduce air pollution and enjoy a healthier life. So this is a table with information from the text by getting the idea of the problem, the effects, the solutions, and what? The expected results. Now we're going on how to write an essay offering solutions to a problem. What you're going to write at each of the paragraphs. As I told you at the beginning, while we write an essay offering solutions to a problem, we should include 4 paragraphs. At the first paragraph, we state the problem. So that is the first one. Which is the problem? Towns and cities have a problem with rubbish. There are not enough places to put it. So this is the problem. Keep it in mind. Paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. At paragraph 2, we include the effects. Which are the effects in this case? The problem with the rubbish is, and you are going to include the effects regarding to the problem. And what about the solutions? How you're going to start giving your solutions? We can, in these ways, we can reduce the amount of rubbish, and you can have a list of other solutions you are going to give at your essay. Whereas the paragraph 4, so the last one, is where we summarize what we have said before. We encourage the reader to adopt our solutions given and reasons we use first at this paragraph we use to conclude. So that is the way you're going to write your essay for next time. The essay, how to offer solutions to a problem. So keep in mind the paragraphs. There are 4 paragraphs in all. The first paragraph state the problem, the second one the effects, the third one solutions, and at the end you summarize your conclusion. This is your work for next time as a homework. You are going to write an essay offering solutions to a problem. In your essay, discuss about the problem of rubbish in towns and cities and offer solutions to it. You're going to use 60 up to 80 words. Be careful with what I said you before. I want to thank you again for your attention today and see you next time. Goodbye.